Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites and launching a shell so you can act immediately. Check which shell you're in with Echo $shell or $shell on Windows. Once confirmed, make sure you have permission, use sudo or an account with privileges. Prepare SSH keys or credentials if connecting remotely. Once done, open your terminal app, set a comfortable window size and path visibility. This ensures commands run predictably, and you won't be interrupted by permission or environment. Begin executing a controlled workflow. Run a simple command, then extend it with flags to refine behavior, for example, lsla to inspect files. When you need sequence, use and so the next command runs only if the previous succeeds. This prevents partial failure. Pipe output to other tools with or redirect to files with, and once you've tested, run scripts directly with /script, sh or bash script, sh to reproduce actions. Make sure to export needed env variables first. Wrap up by verifying outcomes. Run verification commands such as grep or diff to confirm expected changes. If you modified configuration, reload or restart services, systemtool restart name, then check status. If things go wrong, revert using backups or version control, and inspect logs with tail F or journoctal U service to find errors. One key troubleshooting tip: replicate the failing command with verbose or debug flags to reveal what changed. Then fix the smallest failing step and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.